Okay, going to be installing this Koso 28mm throttle body and intake manifold, and I ported it out the throttle body here, just the front funnel here, and this is the old intake. This is a Morin, and it's got this 2-inch hose, silicone hose here for the new intake. So I'm gonna have to trim that down. That goes there, and need a connector pipe here for that. So let's see what we have to remove here. Guess we'll get the injectors off first. Alright, that's the old intake, throttle body. Alright, clean this off a little bit. Okay, that's how it lines up, and I'm going to take the head off and port the head later on. I'm not going to do it this time. Maybe next week I'll do it. But for now, I just want to get the throttle body and then take manifold on. See how that responds. Okay, now we'll transfer the idle air control solenoid and the throttle positioning sensor to the new throttle body here. And the idle screw here. New manifold didn't come with the new bolts, so we'll have to reuse those bolts. And put the seals in. Okay, that's a new throttle body assembled. See the size different here. Alright, you can see the old throttle body here is smaller than the is it the heat transfer plate here? I'm not sure what this plate is called, but yeah, it's about 1.5 millimeters smaller on each side versus the new Koso here. So you can see the new Koso here, pretty much same size. Okay, as you can see in here, the intake runner on the head is pretty well port matched to the plate here, the little heat plate. So, and then the new intake manifold port matched to that really good too. So the OEM intake is definitely smaller than this port here. So I think that'll be a decent amount of gain, even without porting the head. But I'm going to port the head anyway. But I'm just going to put this in here for now and run it and see how it goes. Alright, we'll measure this new throttle body here. It's about 23 mil. That's what they advertise as. And the old one, about 21.5. And this plate here, 22.9, almost 23. Okay, so the original intake manifold has the nipple on the left side there for the fuel tank evap, and the new one doesn't have a nipple on that side, but it has two nipples on this side. So I'll use one of those for the evap, and then I'll plug up the other one, which I did on the old one here. So just plug up one of these right here. Guess I should have probably mounted this bracket on before I bolted the throttle body down, because I don't know if I can get to the Allen screw back there. Let's see if I can. Looks like I can get to the screw from behind. Adjusting this throttle cable slack here. Alright, we'll cut this intake. Okay, it fits in there pretty good. And we'll see how much this we need here. Maybe take it down 1/2 inch. Okay, this is the intake that I made. It's just a I think 1.89 inches, 45-degree. Cut it to length. I have a little aluminum pipe there so that I can butt these two together, and looks like it fits pretty good. Okay, gotta relearn the TPS on the A-Racer.